Ever felt like creating carousels for your Instagram, but then felt it would take a lot of time to create one? In this video we help you create carousel easily over the Canva app. To start making a carousel we go to custom size and take a size of 2160 into 1350. Now we add a background for our carousel design. This is, in fact, a very important step. Now we take up a square from the elements section. We will be giving the square a yellow color. Once spreading it on half of the page, lower its transparency to 20. Now the first page is in the yellow area, while the second page is in the other part of your design. You will be duplicating this page thrice to create a 6-page carousel. We will be taking up lines that will help us in making a border and an anti-theft design. Later in the video, on the second page we will take the line and put it on the top instead. Same goes for the third page. This also helps in adding a continuity effect to our carousels. Now we will be going to the text section and selecting a text for our cover page. We write our headline and align the text to the left side of the page. With the first page done, now we start with the second page and take a smaller text for it. Now we take a new line and increase its weight to 20. We will be creating an arrow throughout the first and second page for a more defined continuity effect. Now it's time for us to get to editing the third and fourth page. Many of us think that a carousel requires heavy editing, but see how easily I am making mine with mostly texts. We will be making sure that all our texts are of equal size and aligned perfectly. Now it's time for us to design the last 2 pages of the carousel. I've added a custom-made last page that includes a call to action. You should be making one that has a call to action and says something about you. Now we will add elements to the carousel. You can add swipe elements and so much more. Now to add the anti-theft element, we will be adding call to actions in the Instagram account handle near the lines. Before you save your design, don't forget to delete the yellow squares from your pages. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos.